ang House at ang Senate, gusto talaga nating matanggal yung taba at malagay sa tamang presyo ang bawat material sa bawat proyekto. So that is clear. Lahat tayo, yun ang gusto natin. Number two, itong mga presyo na ito, nanggaling kay Secretary Vince during the budget hearing ng DPWH sa Senado. Galing sa kanya at nung, just to be clear, nung tinanong ng Senado, kung i-apply natin tong presyo na ito, ay pwede na nating ibaba. Sinabi ni Sec Vince, from what I hear, it is a conditional yes na kapag hindi magawa ng DPWH through the leadership of Sec Vince, pwede nating i-impose or pwedeng i-impose ng Senado yung reduction in prices. So yun ang narinig ko sa back and forth. So it was a conditional. So ang tanong ngayon, katulad ng sinabi ni Sec Vince, sino mag-a-apply nung reduction? Is it the executive or the BICAM or Congress? Yun na lang po yung natitirang tanong. Malinaw kay Sec Vince na kapag ginawa natin dito at kinat natin yung prices, they have no other recourse but to follow. Kasi batas na yan eh. Pero sa aking konting kaalaman with regards to how our government works, sila yung implementing agency. So sila dapat mag-apply, tayo mag-provide ng napakaraming safeguards together with kung ano nang nasimula ng DPWH, ng ating Pangulo, at nung special provision na gagawin pa natin, katulad nung line of questioning ni Congressman Benitez. Anyway, Congress has oversight powers. This is very clear. Kung nireduce ng Senate ng 54 billion, what if monthly, or quarterly, pag-reportin natin ng DPWH, are we going closer to this 54 billion per project pagdating sa savings na matatamo natin because of the adjustments and system na ginawa ng DPWH, mamomonitor natin na kung hindi man real time, at least almost real time, either monthly or quarterly. And at the end of the year, sinabi nga ni Sec Vince na it's about trust. So I'm reminded of President Ronald Reagan when he was dealing with the Soviet. Trust but verify. So ito, pagtiwalaan natin, sila yung implementing agency and they're trying to do what they can para baguhin yung DPWH. Pero wag full trust, i-verify din natin regularly kung nai-hit natin kung tama itong numero na ito na naibawas. And at the end of the day, or per reporting, makikita natin if we're hitting the target na in-apply ng Senado. So, isa lang pong suggestion so that we can move forward. At this point, I don't think we have enough information kung pwede tayong magkaroon ng sweeping reduction na 54 billion. Pero kapag project with its own peculiarities, uniqueness, and in context, baka madagdagan pa yung 54 billion. Pero at least mabe-verify po natin as time goes on at we can hold DPWH to account na sigurado kung ano yung kanilang commitment man na ma-reduce ay talagang mangyari.